Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. Today is one of those days where I don't want to record. Uh, but that's the reason. That's the most important reason to record it. That these are the days where I don't want to face it, especially talk about it. And so that's the exact thing I'm going to do. I will going to dive into it. This is the first video, I think. First recording where I was hesitating before starting the recording. I don't know. Today was a red day again, and uh, I don't know. Let's just dive into it. So first, let's start from the daily. Inshallah, Ta'ala, I started with the Bismillah and with the Darood. Inshallah, I will get the strength and the ability to start this video, to end this video, to talk about the things happened yesterday and find out what's went wrong and what I could do better. So this is the day we are going to talk about. I highlighted its lower wick and its higher wick. This is the weekly wick. As you know, black lines are for weekly and white are for monthly. Okay, so 4 hour time frame, I highlighted this range to find out the discount and the premium. We were here, touched the upper quarter plus this is a sign, the way I expected it was a sign of we are going up. But on 1 hour time frame, it's looking so like smooth and normal, but we'll see. 15 minutes still looking fine to me. So this is the old first presented fair value gap. The previous day means the Wednesday, and it's we're going to talk about the Thursday price action. And I still have I haven't edited the Wednesday trade review video. I think I will I'll edit it today and will upload my today. So okay, this is the 9:30 opening. Today the news was the Thursday news was this 8:30 news, and let's just go into the day. Oh, so you can see by seeing it again, it wasn't that bad day. It just one thing I think messed me up, which was an unfortunate thing, which was out of my hand, and which was this. So I entered here. Let me show you the execution, then I will the reason behind it. Or should I then let's just be like that. Okay, so I entered here along. As you can see, I entered here long. It's on this break in market structure. The same candle went down. I placed the stop loss here. I don't have the recording, but I placed the stop loss here, a little blue. Then this it went above because of that magnet, this magnet. So or I don't know. So I placed the stop loss here. It took me because of spread, the unfortunate thing, and we start going up. This was and that's why I entered again. Let's get into the day. This is the 5 minute view of that. We will get into the 1 minute, and I will show you the reason. I will I will talk about the reason why did I enter this trade. So this was a logical trade. These were like okay, one trade was fine, but taking another, and yeah, just that it was just not a good day. I was just, I think, overstressing, or not overstressing, but a bit overthink about it. But now by getting into the charts, it's much easier, and it looks look like just a bad day. So what I could do better with it, let's just talk about. This is the old weekly opening gap. The yellow lines most oftenly are the weekly opening gap. This is the weekly opening gap. We didn't touch the upper quarter. The news was on 8:30. Okay, we went above, took the highs here, went lower, took the lows, respected, kind of respected. I will consider it in a respecting this structure, and we break to the upside. Okay, I entered on here. It's not on the right place. Yeah, let me make here. Sorry. I entered on this up close candle, on this here, this down close candle on this project. Why did I enter here? We went lower, respect the upper quarter to upside, first presented fair value gap. This is the old day. This is the previous day. 1 minute was presented fair value gap, and uh, it was uh, it was it was it was on the same place on the recent one. So this is the first presented fair value gap. Okay, the big candle, good first presented fair value gap, as well as this weekly opening gap. We break to the upside, down close candle, and I entered here on this CE of previous day. First presented fair value gap. We went down. It took me on both accounts. On the funded lead, I placed the stop loss here, this low, and it took me again. Took me here. Then we started going up. I entered again here, as you can see. I entered again here, and then the messy day start. And as you can see, it went above and just wasn't planning to go up. And I also didn't get out. It wasn't like a mistake, but by seeing at the next day, it was better to get out here, when especially after seeing the consolidation. Should have got out here, or I don't know. So it is what it is. When get out with some break even, kind of break even with some profits, and then this is the day which made me loss. Two quick losses, and what a shitty day after as well. So why did I enter? Yeah, let's talk about it. It's in the live where I don't know. I don't know exactly why did I enter here. Let's just see the transaction. We did not touch any quarter, as you can see, but we went below. Respect the old first presented 15-minute gap. Am I right? Yes, I think yes. It is the 15-minute first presented fair value gap. Went below, and I entered on these reasons. This I'll show you. 5-minute first presented fair value gap. We respected to the downside. This is the 15%, 50% range. Above this, we are in premium. Below this, we are in discount. Went below, respected the low quarter to the downside. Plus this 9:30 opening and all this. This is a good trade. I won't consider it a bad trade. And we went above. The second we went above, in my mind, let me take a side. We went above. I was like, why did we do that? What the reason could be? So by seeing it, the way it respected it, the upper quarter, it was a confusing day, and it just caught me. The market caught me today, and we went though respected to the upper quarter, went above, break the market structure, as you can see. First presented fair value gap, plus we 5-minute first presented fair value. One thing I just noticed it right here: the third trade was not valid. Why was not? Why it was not? Not that the entry was not good, and the reason is I entered without a proportional block, and it was not. And as you can see, I entered here, placed the stop loss below the C of it, and it took me there. And to me, it was in my mind. I was thinking like it's going to be very powerful. Why? Because we take these lows, went into the first presented, went to a discount, low quarter to the upside. So yeah, I got at my reasons, and it's not like it doesn't make sense, but yeah, it was not a good day to trade. And it hit me, went into the gain, and first presented respected very beautifully, and took the recent high, then start going again lower, took again, then start went lower, and upper quarter, respect to the upper quarter, start going up, recent high, then low, upper quarter, then took the highs, and we start going up to the main target, which we did not hit yesterday. So this was the day. Let me show you the counts, 2 losses on each counts, and we are down on Think Capital first time, just $80. But yeah, I don't it doesn't matter. I'm just showing the accounts, and the thing which matter is, am I following my rules? Am I doing what I need to do? And I just have to follow the process. I just have to do the job. And as you can see, 2 trades, first break even $12 and the same. Oh sorry, and first day I think it's Tuesday. I took two trades on this fund lead. First was a loss, second was a TP. So 120, and then this day, first loss. Oh no, sorry. First break even, then loss, and then loss. And on Thursday, I didn't trade on fund lead. So this was the day. It wasn't that bad, but yeah, it was not a good day. So let's see. Today is Friday, and it's flash PMI news. I will see the data of it. We'll look for opportunity after the news, inshallah. Okay, I think that's it for the day, and I'm glad that I recorded and so yeah, I think that's it. One thing which I noticed is when I lose more. When I win, I don't win that much. And I was thinking about it today morning. Sorry. So I think I should be trading more. One thing I do wrong is when I win a trade, a win, and I stop trading. But when I take a loss, when I take a loss, I look for another opportunity, and sometimes I regain the loss, sometimes I don't, and the worst happened is I resulted in two loss. Here you can see, but the same thing I don't do with the wins. I don't look for opportunity after the win. The worst thing that can happen is uh, I sorry, I'm back. So worst thing that can happen is we result in the most worst thing that can happen, we result in break even. The normal thing can happen is I result in 1 RR, because I risk 1%. I am back. Sorry, where was I? So I think I was talking about the should be should be looking for trade after even if I win. So I will more look into it. And, I'm not going to make much of it. I will look into it. I will look the data. How, one thing which I could do is I can look for trade in London session, and yeah, I will look into it. I will look into it. So yeah, that's the day I'm going to close recording. It's been 22 minutes, and this was the day 19 recording on 20th of Feb Friday, but I'm talking about the 90th of Feb Thursday. So yeah, that's it. Allah Hafiz. Salam.